This is DOOGEE X95, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, you will need to find and launch the calendar app. Then select the date that you would like to link an event to, or on, rather. So let's say I'll go with 9th of April. Then tap on this plus icon to your bottom, choose the event option, fill out the event details such as title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, invite some members at the location that this event will take place at, perhaps set notifications for you to not miss it, add description, change its visibility, make it public or private, and then just save. As you can see, here is my event. By tapping on it, I can see the details and edit those details, or if needed, remove the event entirely. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.